Pictographic writing first appeared during the Shang dynasty that lasted from the 16th to the 11th century BC. Pictographic writing was first used in oracle bone inscriptions, namely in rituals meant to influence the outcome of important events such as wars. The Shang dynasty, like all subsequent dynasties, was born out of war and conflict. It is during those centuries of turmoil that many new types of weapons were forged out of bronze. The infantryman's weapon of choice was the dagger-axe. Meet the dagger-axe. Ge in Chinese. The dagger-axe was so common that in writing it was used as a radical component of characters related to weapons and martial actions. But let us not get ahead of ourselves. Instead, we should look at some Shang weapons made of bronze and how they were recorded in written form. First, there is the dagger-axe. The evolution of the character from its pictographic form to the modern variant explains the modern meaning and the use of ge as a radical component. The character jie had its origin in a pictograph showing two hands holding a dagger-axe, hence the modern meaning to guard against. The character rong was originally a pictograph showing a coat of mail and a dagger-axe, suggesting the meaning arms, army. The character xu was originally a pictographic representation of an axe with a long shaft. In modern use, xu represents the 11th earthly branch. The character wu stands for the 5th heavenly stem, but in its ancient form it was a pictographic representation of a crescent-shaped axe with a long shaft. A Shang dynasty weapon was the three-pronged halberd called wa. Surprisingly, the original martial meaning was lost, and wa came to be used as the very common and frequently used personal pronoun I. To sum up, the dagger-axe, ge in Chinese, is used as a radical component in numerous characters related to weapons or the military. Let's take a look at them. War. The ancient meaning of war was the three-pronged halberd, and the modern meaning is the personal pronoun I. Jan. In ancient and modern meaning, it stands for war, fighting, battle. Chuo, the ancient and modern meaning, is jab, to stab. Lu, ancient and modern meaning, to massacre, to slaughter. Jie, ancient and modern meaning, to guard against. Rong, ancient and modern meaning, weaponry, army. Xu, ancient meaning, an axe with a long shaft. Modern meaning, the 11th of the earthly branches. Shu. Modern meaning, to defend, garrison. Fa. Its ancient meaning was the decapitation of a prisoner or of a slave. Modern meaning, to subjugate, to attack. Wu. Ancient meaning, crescent-shaped axe with a long shaft. Modern meaning, fifth heavenly stem. If you have found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, because your positive feedback and support keeps my YouTube channel alive. Subscribe to my channel as well and hit the notifications bell to get my latest videos. See you in the next episode.